Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial we will be learning about how you can create new sheet in your workbook. So let's see how you can do it. Sometimes you feel that your data is congested in one sheet and you want to separate some of the data from one sheet to another sheet, or you can categorize your data in separate sheet, so you can create a new sheet for particular purpose. To create a new sheet you can use this plus button. So click on this plus button to add a new sheet, and new sheet will be added at the same time. So here it is, our newly added blank sheet. Now to rename this sheet you can double click onto this and enter a name of sheet. I am entering new data set and press OK button. So it will be renamed to new data set. Now to insert one more sheet you can right click onto this new sheet and press on this insert button. If you want to delete it, then you can also delete from here. So this is delete button and you can use it for deleting purpose. You can also rename by this rename command, or you can hide it. So it will be now hidden. Now to unhide your data sheet or new sheet, select this unhide button and select the sheet you want to unhide. So I am clicking onto this OK button and it is now unhidden. And reorder can be used to reorder your sheet. You can also reorder from here. So this is how you can reorder, insert and delete sheet. But now let's copy data of some sheet into this newly added sheet. How you can do it? So to copy any data, select the first data set. So I am selecting this table and select the portion which you want to copy. You can copy using this copy button from clipboard section and click onto this copy button. So it is now in your clipboard, and go to cell where you want to copy this data and go there and press Ctrl V or press this paste button. So data is now copied into my new sheet. You can adjust cell length from here. So you can see this data set is now in sheet 2, new data sheet also. So these are you can create a new sheet and copy your existing data into this new sheet. Now let's see one more option, which is comment. You can add comment also in your workbook. To add new comment, you can use this new comment option from this review section. Add a comment. This is sales forecast data. Use it and you need it, and click onto this post button. So this comment will be added in your Excel sheet where your current cursor will be. So I have added comment here. You can click to read comment. So my comment is this. If you want to delete comment, then you can use this delete button and it will be deleted. So now comment is no longer there. You can add comment as many as you want. So there is no limitation in comment. You can also edit and delete comment from here. And to show comment, you can use this show button. So this is about comments and new sheet. Thank you very much.